What's up, Charlie? If you're new here, my name is Kwekwaye, and this is Ghanaian Photography. In this video, I'll share with you how to master your craft as a photographer. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, improving your skills can help you take better photos and stand out in a saturated market. In this video, we'll cover some tips and tricks for mastering your craft and becoming a better photographer. First things first, it's very essential to know your gear inside out. Every photography gear has its unique features and capabilities, so make sure you're familiar with them. Take the time to read and experience with different settings so you know what works best for different situations. This will help you be more efficient and confident when using them under similar conditions, which takes us to the next point. Study the fundamentals. It's very important to study the fundamentals of photography. These include, but are not limited to, composition, exposure, and lighting. Knowing about the exposure triangle will help you create more visually appealing images. Learn about aperture, shutter speed, and ISO to get perfect exposure. Get familiar with composition elements like the rule of thirds, leading lines, and other compositional techniques that can help take your photos to the next level. Practice how to manipulate light to create a mood or evoke emotion in your images. That takes us to my next point, which obviously is practice makes perfect. The old saying that practice makes perfect is especially true for photography. Set aside time to practice your skills regularly, whether it's by taking photos of everyday objects or exploring new locations. Don't be afraid to experiment and take risks with your gear, as this is how you will discover new techniques and styles that work for you. Don't get comfortable. Always challenge your skills. Create scenarios in your head and try executing them. And once you start bringing out these ideas, don't forget to get feedback. Getting feedback from other photographers or mentors can be incredibly valuable in helping you improve your craft. Join photography groups or communities online or in person. Participate in activities in the group. Critique when necessary and ask for feedback on your work. Don't be too quick to defend yourself. Many times, people post in communities, and when others point out flaws, they start defending. This will discourage others from helping you from that moment. The critiques would help you identify areas where you need to improve and get advice on the way forward. We have a Telegram community where we organize shootouts and discuss photography-related matters. You can join us. Keep learning and stay up to date with the latest trends and techniques in photography. Attend photography workshops or conferences, read books or articles, and watch online tutorials. I have lots of tutorials on this channel that will help you improve your photography. Maybe you haven't subscribed yet. This may be a good time for you to subscribe so you don't miss any updates. Watching my videos will help you stay inspired and motivated and ensure that you continue to improve your skills over time. Mastering your craft in photography takes time, dedication, and practice. If you notice, I have not touched on retouching because that's a whole discussion. I'll touch on that in another video. Like this video if you found it helpful and share it with someone you know may benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.